Think you've seen all the coolest gadgets on Amazon? Think again. These incredible hidden finds are flying under the radar, but deserve a spot in your home. From genius problem solvers to mind-blowing everyday tools, you won't believe what you've been missing. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Cleaning up after your cat just got effortless. This self-cleaning litter box takes care of the dirty work for you, automatically raking waste into a sealed tray after each use. The crystal litter locks in odors and keeps the box dry, so your home always smells fresh. Built-in sensors track your cat's visits, helping you monitor their health. No scooping, no mess. Just a cleaner, happier home for both of you. Meet the backpack fridge that cools like a pro. This portable cooler drops from 77 to 32 degrees in just 15 minutes, 3 times faster than standard models. With precise temperature control from freezing to warming, it's perfect for road trips, beach days, or off-grid camping. Triple insulation keeps things cold for hours, even without power, and built-in USB-C charging turns it into a portable power bank for your devices. Lightweight, quiet, and cleverly designed, it's your ultimate travel fridge that goes wherever adventure takes you. Ever wonder what your dog's up to when you're not home? This smart 360-degree camera lets you watch, talk, and even toss treats from your phone. The rotating lens gives you a full view of the room, while motion and bark alerts keep you updated in real time. Two-way audio lets you calm or praise your pet instantly. It's peace of mind and playtime rolled into one clever gadget. Keep your little rider dry no matter the weather. This waterproof rain cover fits most child bike seats, wrapping around securely for full protection. A large, clear windshield keeps visibility high while air vents let fresh air in, so your child stays comfy and calm. Quick to install and easy to remove, it's perfect for everyday rides or sudden showers. Rain or shine, your family cycling trips just got a lot smoother. Lighting that follows you everywhere. This magnetic phone ring light snaps right onto your device, giving your photos and videos that flawless glow instantly. You can switch between 3 color tones, warm, cool, or natural, depending on the vibe you want. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to carry for on-the-go creators. Perfect for selfies, live streams, or video calls when you want to look your best anywhere. Movie night just got pocket-sized. This ultra-portable mini projector lets you stream your favorite shows or mirror your phone screen anywhere. No Wi-Fi required. Despite its tiny size, it delivers crisp HD visuals and vibrant colors using advanced DLP tech. The autofocus keeps everything sharp, even if you move it around. With a built-in battery and fast Type-C charging, you can enjoy big screen entertainment wherever you go. Printing on the go just got easier. This wireless portable printer fits right in your bag and connects to your phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. It uses inkless thermal printing, so you'll never need cartridges. Just pop in a roll of paper and you're ready. Perfect for travel, work, or even tattoo stencils. It delivers crisp black and white prints anywhere. Compact, efficient, and always ready when you need it. Hauling stuff has never been this easy or this cute. This foldable utility cart pops open to carry groceries, books, or supplies, then folds flat to tuck away neatly. Its stair-climbing wheels glide effortlessly up steps and rough ground, while the 360-degree swivel wheels handle tight turns with ease. The adjustable handle keeps things comfortable, and the sturdy crate can hold heavy loads without wobbling. Forget keys, your fingerprint is the key now. This smart padlock unlocks instantly with just a touch, giving you quick, keyless access to your locker, backpack, or suitcase. It's small, sleek, and rechargeable, lasting for weeks on a single charge. Setup takes seconds, and a low battery light reminds you when it's time to plug in. Simple, secure, and perfect for everyday convenience. Meet the robot that actually cleans like it means it. This vacuum and mop combo handles dirt, dust, and pet hair with powerful suction and zero tangles. Its smart LiDAR navigation and triple lasers map your home precisely, dodging obstacles with ease. After each cleaning, it empties itself, giving you up to 7 weeks of hands-free convenience. Whether on carpets or hard floors, it leaves every surface spotless and shiny. Hosting just got a major upgrade. This expandable Lazy Susan turntable turns any rectangular or oval table into a self-serve station everyone can reach. Its trays spin smoothly, keeping dishes within easy grab distance, and you can add extensions to fit bigger gatherings. Heat-resistant and non-slip, it handles hot plates effortlessly. Simple to set up and store, it's perfect for family dinners, parties, and holidays alike. Corners just got a clever makeover. This rotating triangle shelf turns unused space in your bathroom or kitchen into organized storage. It spins 360 degrees for easy access, and the covered front keeps your items dust-free and tidy. Perfect for makeup, toiletries, or cleaning supplies. It's both practical and stylish. No drilling or tools required, just stick it in place and start decluttering instantly. Bad hair days don't stand a chance. This hair straightening brush combines a comb and flat iron in one, giving you sleek, frizz-free hair in a single glide. It heats up fast, with 5 temperature settings to match any hair type. The 3D ceramic bristles spread heat evenly for smooth, shiny results without damage. Plus, it's travel-friendly, safe to touch, and shuts off automatically when not in use. This all-in-one charging station is a total game changer for anyone tired of messy cables. It powers your phone, earbuds, smartwatch, and more, all at once, wirelessly. There's even a built-in clock that syncs time via Bluetooth and shows the room temperature. With adjustable ambient lighting and a sleek, clutter-free design, it turns your nightstand or desk into a high-tech charging hub that actually looks good. Meet the nightstand that does it all. This 360-degree smart table lights up your room, charges your devices, and even doubles as a mini workstation. The adjustable tray rotates, flips, and moves wherever you need it, perfect for reading, working, or just relaxing in bed. Its LED lighting lets you pick from 24 soothing colors, and the built-in wireless charger powers your phone while you unwind. Modern comfort reinvented. Tired of waking up to messy, crumpled sheets? This clever sheet holder keeps everything perfectly in place all night long. Its heavy-duty straps grip your mattress securely, so no more slipping or shifting corners. The best part? You install it once, and that's it. Changing sheets afterward is effortless. It fits any size bed, giving you smoother sheets and better sleep every single night. Bring a touch of calm to your space with this Titanic-inspired humidifier and aroma diffuser. It releases a fine, cool mist that keeps the air fresh while filling the room with your favorite scents. You can switch between 2 mist modes and 7 soothing light colors to match your mood. Quiet, compact, and easy to control with a remote, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or cozy relaxation corners. Give your wrist a break with this smart vertical mouse that's built for comfort. Its ergonomic shape keeps your hand in a natural position, reducing strain during long hours of work or gaming. You can connect up to 3 devices at once via Bluetooth or USB, switching between them in seconds. It's rechargeable, smooth, and whisper quiet, perfect for focused work or late-night sessions without distractions. Laundry just got a whole lot simpler. This foldable mini washer handles small loads like socks, underwear, and baby clothes without taking up space. It folds flat when not in use, making it perfect for dorms, travel, or tiny apartments. With 3 wash modes and gentle yet powerful cleaning, your clothes come out fresh every time. Plus, it's energy efficient and easy to drain. Convenience at its best. Messes happen, but this powerful portable cleaner makes them disappear fast. It sprays, scrubs, and suctions away dirt from carpets, upholstery, or car seats in minutes. Perfect for spills, pet accidents, and deep-set stains, it leaves fabrics looking and smelling fresh. The large water tank means fewer refills, and the compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Quick, powerful, and incredibly satisfying to use. Never run out of power again with this pocket-sized portable charger. It's designed to charge your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. No extra cables needed. The built-in connectors make it super convenient for travel or everyday use, and the keychain design means it's always within reach. Despite its mini size, it packs serious power and keeps your devices safe with smart protection features. Cozy meets creativity in this playful concept. The giant Hoodie Lounger reimagines your favorite hoodie as a full-size chair that wraps you in warmth and comfort. Though not a real product, the idea captures the ultimate snug feeling, like sinking into a soft, wearable hug. It's a concept that turns everyday comfort into an immersive, cocoon-like experience. Perfect for dreamers who think relaxation should feel as good as their favorite hoodie. Say goodbye to stale snacks with this clever 2-in-1 mini bag sealer. It reseals open chip and food bags in seconds, keeping everything fresh and crisp. One end seals, the other cuts. Simple and handy for daily use. No preheating or fuss, just press and slide. Compact enough to hang on your fridge or toss in your bag, it's the ultimate little helper for food storage on the go. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This smart coffee table doubles as a fridge, keeping up to 68 cans chilled and within arm's reach. Built-in voice control lets you open it hands-free, while a wireless charger on top keeps your devices powered up. The sleek display and glowing LED lights add the perfect modern vibe to any room. It's not just furniture, it's your new entertainment hub disguised as a coffee table. Get ready like a pro with this tri-fold vanity mirror that lights up your beauty routine. It gives you 3 magnification levels, 1x for your full look, and 3x and 5x for detailed work like brows or liner. The Smart Touch lighting offers warm, natural, and cool tones, so you always find your perfect glow. It even turns on automatically when opened and folds flat for easy travel. Beauty meets brilliance. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.